All right, so a couple videos ago now, I had mentioned that we had some upcoming projects on this channel that we were working on that I couldn't quite get into yet. And while not a whole lot has changed with that, I did want to give you guys a glimpse into one of the projects, the practice projects that we're working on over here, which is a timber framed shed. So back in March and early April of this year, my dad, Michael, and I went away to the Heartwood Timber Framing School to learn how to timber frame. And we were fortunate enough to get our hands on these really awesome plans for the shed. It's kind of our practice project that we've been picking away at. And while it's not complete yet, all we have to do is the raising and then the rafters. We chose to do those last. Yeah, it doesn't necessarily have a whole lot to do with real estate, but it does have a lot to do with upcoming projects that we're going to be showcasing on this channel. So I thought I'd take you guys along. Let's get into it. All right, so we actually already started a portion of the raising. So let me show you that. Due to some personal stuff going on, we had to kind of put a pause on this project for a couple of days. But basically, we have the back wall of the shed done and raised. The second half over here is gonna be a little bit higher. It's gonna have a slanted roof. And yeah, really we're only, I don't know, maybe a third of the way through the raising, and we're gonna raise it and then figure out, just to make sure all of our measurements were correct, whether we're gonna remeasure and make sure we get the rafters correct. And this is really all it is so far. But in case you're wondering what timber framing is, Google can probably give you a better explanation than I can, right? But basically, instead of a traditional frame for a house where you're kind of screwing everything into place, we're basically creating mortises and corresponding tenons that go into each of these pieces to build a structure that some might say is kind of like Lincoln logs. It all fits together, and instead of these podgers, we're gonna have pegs that go into place instead of screws. So it'll be kind of an interesting project to see how it all goes together. And fortunately, I do have some pictures and videos and such from when we were starting this project as well, so I can insert those too.